Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rainbow cloud. So let's get started. To draw this cute cloud, let's first start by drawing a big curve. So I'm going to come right here. And this is basically the center of our cloud. So we're just going to make a nice big round curve. And bring it down to about the same height. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and round this part off. Another smaller curve, and then another one right here. And just bring it in. So we want it nice and fluffy. So same thing over here. Nice big curve. A small curve and then a bigger one maybe over on this side just to change it up. But we want to bring it back down to about the same level. So I'm going to use this part right here and go across. All the way across to say about right here, same height as the other side, and then from there, whatever is left, I'm just going to go ahead and connect. There. So we just have our basic fluffy cloud. Then from there, let's go ahead and let's see here. Now let's go ahead and draw the rainbow. So I'm just going to use the full length of my cloud here. So I'm going to go about right here. And I'll end, let's say about right here. So I'm just giving myself 2 points so I know where to go. And I'm going to go up. And draw a big dome shape here. All the way back down to here. Nice and full. If you want to put in more colors, you can make your band smaller as we draw them inside, or you can make your rainbow much taller. But something like that. Then from there, I'm going to start to put in all the bands, but I'm just going to put in as many as I can fit. So I'm not really too concerned about how many. So I'm just going to go ahead and start, follow my outside. So definitely turn your body or the paper. Whatever you need to do to help you draw this curve. There, one. Let's see, let's keep going. Because if I have enough room that I can just draw the opening of our rainbow, the bottom arc, but I don't think I'm going to have enough, so I'm not too concerned about how many of these bands I can put in for now. So 2, let's keep going, and I'm aiming to draw them about the same width. Okay, 4, all right here. Okay, 4, 5, we're almost there. Oh, 5 and then 6. There. So it's almost there. Technically there's 7 colors, but usually when I color it I just put 6, so perfect. There. So we have our 6 bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can leave this one blank. Leave it white. Or you can try maybe bring down the curve a little bit so you can see a little bit more white so you can see the actual rainbow band. Okay, so there. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and bring our cloud to life. So we'll start about right here. With a big circle. And then I'm going to come right across for the other side, so about right here. And draw another circle. There. So now my 2 circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So my eyes in, let's see here. Let's go ahead and draw a soft curve over each eye, and then of course a big smile in between the eyes, about right here. And I'll just go slightly upwards and cap it off. There. And then to spruce it up, if you like, I thought it'd be really cute, we can add some stars and hearts or sparkles, whatever you like. And so I'm just going to do that right here. I'm just going to start with a little star, a rounded off star, maybe a heart, just to add some fun on this side. Maybe another smaller star. There. Some sparkles. And another one. So then we can do the same thing over here. So a star, maybe another star right here. So change it up. A heart right here. Some sparkles, and let's see, one more. There. And that is pretty much it. For my drawing here, maybe I'll bring this down a little bit more. It looks a little high to me now that I'm looking on my camera. That way I have a little bit more white right here. There. Okay, I think that's much better. Let me come in here really quick and white this out. So never be afraid to go back in and make any adjustments you see that you need to do. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home. There. All done. I really hope you love this drawing of this cute rainbow cloud, and I hope you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.